welcome to Belcourt Place in El Monte, California. So very hot place. We're gonna have 82 homes. It's going to be a gated community. And actually the community will have walls all around the community. So very safe, very private community. It's gonna be equipped with mostly 3-story homes as well as a few 2-story homes, which we only have actually 4 in the beginning phase and then 4 at the last phase as well. So we're here, so very live. The grand opening is happening soon as well, and we're gonna look at a couple different homes. They have several different floor plans, which I'll be breaking down a bit. But today we're gonna take a look at 2 model homes, one that's a 4-bedroom, one that's a 3-bed, and a lot of amenities and a beautiful way to use the 3-story floor plan. Of course, it does come with solar. Solar is financed separately, and you do have certain incentives, which we'll take a look at once we're at that stage. And you also have the ability to save on your energy bills, save on your utility bills, and give back to the planet as well. So we're gonna take a look at those 2 homes. Again, beautiful, and you want to customize, you need to get in early. So let's go ahead and take a look. Welcome, come on in. All right, so we're here. We have a beautiful 3-story new home in El Monte, California, and we're going to be taking a look starting with the first floor, and you'll see the nice entrance space suited for you, furnished, and you can of course customize this. And we're going to take a look at the first bedroom downstairs. So the first floors do have the bedroom. So you can follow me here. So we do have a nice little cozy room, furnished with a full closet and its own full bath. So shower, sink, everything included here as well. So it's a great asset to have a bedroom right on the first floor. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with just under 2,000 square feet, sitting at 1,998 square feet. And we're gonna take a look at what the rest of the house has to offer. And of course, on the first floor, you do have access to your 2-car garage right near the entrance. So we just passed that, but a beautiful place. And we're gonna see 2 floor plans today in this Belcourt Place here in El Monte, which is one of the newest new constructions in this area. So let's take a look upstairs. All right, and after you. So you notice as you come into the 2nd story of this floor plan, you really have an open space with, again, you have those tall ceilings, giving it a lot of room. You'll notice all the windows around us. So you have 2 right in the kitchen, 2 near the dining room, and 3 more right behind us in the living room area. So it's a great amount of space, and with houses that are 3-story, you really maximize using the lot space to gain space. So it's really great. So you will start off, we're in the kitchen, and you'll notice the new countertops, of course equipped with smart handling on the sides. So you do have access to outlets for your appliances, a beautiful breakfast area with just how large this countertop is. Of course, you also have the large farmhouse style sink available, of course, with finishings. And you've heard me talk about new constructions. If you want to make sure it's personalized, you need to get in early. So work with someone who's going to help you get those details, get you in, and get you what you want. So it's either exactly your dream or even better. So you'll notice the breakfast area there, of course, with the charging panels and the outlets in the backsplash. And the great thing about KB Homes is they do come with solar, and this can be financed separately. So we'll have details on that as you get closer to that. And it just helps with your energy bills, helps you feel more conscious about the environment and what you're putting in as well. So again, it's gonna cut your costs. You're gonna be in your dream home, and you're gonna have so much to offer and live your life and enjoy your life. So you'll notice these countertops and these cabinets actually have so much space, and you have space all underneath and all the way on top as well, giving you a wide amount of space. And if you're someone that cooks as a family, that spends time in the kitchen, this is great because you're gonna have a lot of space to work with, and that's not going to be an issue. You know, some of these homes, it's a lot neater, cozier inside. So it's harder to cook as a couple, it's harder to cook as a family, and it could just feel a little more cramped. So I love the use of the space. And taking a look at the counter space here, you can have different kind of stations, a coffee station, a tea station, a serving station. This can serve as whatever your heart's desire to make it your own. And just having these two beautiful windows on this area brings so much natural light and creates this ambiance of being outdoor indoor, which is great. And as we step into the pantry here, you notice a good amount of space here as well, which is nice. And of course you can add a door on here, and it just gives you so much to work with. And of course the appliances as well. It gives you room to have your fridge, your dishwasher, and the oven right behind us with the stove as well. So you'll notice so much in this room, and having such a large kitchen and also a very nice spacious dining room separate from it, including this breakfast area, gives you a lot to work with. And still giving that together yet separate feel when you come into the living room and have this wide space. So we do have a sectional here, but again, based on how you want to design it, you can definitely make this your own and have your own touch to it. So we do have more windows behind us, more windows in front of us and to the side of us, and we have the staircase right on the left side, which we'll head on up to see the rest of the bedrooms. So let's take a look. So as you enter this room, you'll notice the first bedroom on this side, and then we'll take a look at the hallway. So beautiful use of the space as well. You have a full space here, located with an ability to have a closet space behind you, like an armoire. Again, you have the large windows, bringing in a lot of light. On this end, you do have your walk-in closet. So a lot you can do with this, being a great spacious room and being, again, on the third floor of the floor plan. So a great use of this, and we're going to take a look at its own bathroom, of course, equipped with a double sink and a separate bathroom area and shower area as well, again giving that added privacy. So you have a lot of ability to maximize your space and ability to work, especially if you're a big family, especially if you have a lot of people running around. Each person can have their dedicated space, and it's really important if you think about that in terms of long-term living and what family life looks like. All right, now let's take a look. And this hallway, of course, right across from the stairs, you do have the linen closet, of course, conveniently located. And the other convenience that we're going to take a look at is the laundry room located on the third floor. So you'll have this right here, of course, equipped with all the connections and appliances. And again, it's convenient. You don't have to go downstairs or go to the garage or go elsewhere to make sure that you're taking care of what you need to take care of in terms of laundry. And you have this setup available for you with a wide amount of space without it feeling crammed. And yeah, you can add a door, give that the privacy, and create a sense of, its own section, its own service area. So let's take a look at the two other bedrooms up on top. So we have the first bedroom on this side, of course. You'll notice, again, beautiful large windows. This one opens side to side. Most of the other windows we did see went from top to bottom, or bottom to top, I should say. Again, with its closet space in this corner. So you have a lot you can do here in this layout. We do have a little study area here as well. So a good size room especially with a house that has 4 bedrooms. And let's take a look at the last bedroom before we take a look at the bathroom. And again, similar use of the space. It's actually the same size as the other bedroom. You have a good sized closet. You do have the large window opening from side to side. And you will have options to choose whether you want grid windows like this one or different windows, and we can talk about that once you're in that step. But it gives a different feel, and it definitely helps give your own style to your own home, which is very important because you want to make your home your own, right? That's the difference between a house and a home. And let's take a look at the last bathroom, up here, and that'll be on this side. So you do have a full bath with its sink, the toilet, and shower area equipped for you, conveniently located, so you can have these 2 bedrooms, share this bathroom and shower, and have your own shower in the main bedroom on that side, and then the bottom bedroom that has their own bathroom as well. So a great layout, a great use of all the features, and it just makes this home so feasible and usable. So great to live in that. Let's take a look at the next model home and then we'll wrap up together. All right, so we're gonna be taking a look at another KB home right now. Again, here, Belcourt Place, El Monte, beautiful new community. It's going to be a gated community. So let's take a look at the next house. And of course you have your 2-car garage right here. Again, great that you can have your own space and all the amenities. And we're gonna be taking a look at another model home that is 3 stories. So let's take a look. All right, come on in. Welcome, welcome. So we're gonna be taking a look at a 3-bed home. And on this first floor, we do have the first bedroom area. Of course, you can use this as a flex space as well. It does come with its closet and its bath. You can see on this side, and it is a full bath, of course, so you do have the ability to use the space as you choose. And then once we slide back into the bedroom, you do have the large windows, the large panels on the side of the room. So again, beautiful use of bringing in natural light into the home. And yeah, right on the first floor. So definitely convenient, especially if you're thinking long-term, if you're thinking family, if you're living multi-generationally. So thinking of maybe your parents who are going to be living with you, good use of this space to have someone on the first floor just to increase that mobility and increase the use of that space. And as you notice, right near the front door, we do have the steps. So we will go after you. You guys can head on before I do. All right, as we enter the second story of this home, just a reminder, this is a 1,834 square foot home. It is 3 stories and it is a 3-bed equipped with this bathroom. So we do have a full bath on the first floor and we'll see the other ones as well. As you enter this second floor, you'll notice the wide kitchen again, similar, not quite as wide as the first home that we looked at, but again, definitely wide enough to work with a lot of people, wide enough to have space that you don't feel crammed. You'll notice the appliances conveniently located under the bar area, the island area, as well as right behind me on this end as well. And you do have that extra wide sink, so it is extra large, and you have the quartz countertops as well with the backsplash, but you do have, again, a great use of the sink space as well, especially if you're looking for something extra modern. And you'll notice that these cabinets are light gray and they come with the chrome finishing and or brushed nickel finishing, and beautiful use of the windows as well. You have a window right over there as well as on this end, so it doesn't keep shy of light coming in. So right now, actually, we don't have any additional light coming in outside of the sunlight. So this is what we're working with, and it's actually quite bright. And as you go on this side, you do have a full-length pantry cabinets here, as well as this open space that you can, of course, put a door and have more of your closed items here stored as well. And as we talk about smart homes, especially with these new constructions, of course, you do have outlets equipped on the sides of the island. So again, making this extra convenient. And don't forget that a lot of this house, or this whole house, is going to be running on solar. And you do have a guest bath here. So of course, as you're hosting, as you're gathering, or you're just having family time, you do have a bath here without having to go upstairs or downstairs to access that. So great use of this dining area. You'll notice the construction right at the windows because again, we're in this gated community of new construction homes. So beautiful use of having that dining area and the separate living room area while still being together at the same time. So you do have this to be wide enough to feel separate, and yet if you do need to have something that's a little more fluid, you can definitely be together at once. So great use of the space. And we're gonna take a look at what upstairs looks like, and I will go right after you. All right, so as we enter the third floor, you'll notice you have the washing machine and the laundry area stacked on this end. So again, if that's something that you like, it's a use of that space in that way. Very interesting, very different, and helps just keep that out of the area as well. And we do see kind of this corridor. Again, you have this little nook where you can design to your own desire and make it your own. And let's take a look at the bedrooms on this end. So we do have a large bedroom on this end as well. And you'll notice the gridded windows. Again, you want to customize, you want to get in early. So that's the best thing to know about new construction is work with an agent that's going to help you get exactly what you want and remind you what you need to pay attention to. So again, we have the grid windows on this end and of course the walk-in closet on this side. So a very large closet, a lot you can do with the space. You have a window in your closet, which is something that I always appreciate, just getting that natural light into this area. So beautiful use of this space. And let's take a look at the bathroom. And of course, the bathroom is equipped with double sinks. You'll notice the finishings, of course, all the countertops are white quartz. Again, a beautiful use of the space. You do have a modern shower available as well with a raised border. And the bathroom in its own separate area, again, creating that extra sense of privacy while still being able to use the space. All right, let's take a look at the other bedroom. All right, and here we have the final bedroom, and you'll notice on the back of the wall, the beautiful accents. So again, something you want to consider, some style, especially when going into a home, you have to look at pieces that make it your own. So a wide use of this room. We have the two windows that open from bottom to top. You do have a walk-in closet in this room as well, which is really niche and neat because you don't only have that in one bedroom. So it is a good size walk-in closet. You can make so much use of the space. You do also have use, again, for so much more as you're in this room. And of course, it comes with a full bath as well. So you do have the quartz countertop sink, single sink on this end, and then a bath shower as well. So beautiful use of the space and a lot that you can do with this. All right, so we just saw the two model homes here in Belcourt Place in El Monte, California, and beautiful use of the space. So a lot of different floor plans additionally available as well. So it is a very popular spot. So in the time that I was here, I saw 8 other agents, or 9 coming in to view as well. So a very popular place. I'll be having more information. You'll be having incentives, especially working with me and getting in and making you feel like you have your own home again. So we saw just under 2,000 square feet, 1,900 square feet with a 4-bedroom home and a 3-bedroom home, and they come with great amenities. This community is going to be walled all around. It's a gated community, so definitely very safe, perfect for families, and having a park in the community is another great asset that you'll have, along with some other incentives as well. So if you're interested, whether you want to make your move in 90 days, or a couple months from now, give me a call and let's get you started so I can make your real estate journey an easy one.